Camau Sylfaen. Uned 29. Fideo 1. Fersiwn y de. Adolygu benywaidd a gwrwaidd. Yn yr uned hon, dyn ni'n mynd i adolygu geiriau benywaidd a gwrwaidd. In this unit, we are going to revise feminine and masculine forms yn Gymraeg. Yn y fideo hwn, dyn ni'n mynd i adolygu rhifau. In this video, we are going to revise numbers. Dych chi'n cofio? Yn Gymraeg, numbers are followed by a singular noun, not plural as in English. Er enghraifft, for example, 2 afal, 2 apples, 3 llyfr, 3 books, 4 ci, 4 dogs. A dych chi'n cofio hefyd, and do you also remember, 3 numbers have feminine forms yn Gymraeg. 2, 2 gath, 2 cats. 4, 4 pêl, 3 balls. 4, 4 cadair, 4 chairs. Da iawn. Gadewch i ni edrych ar y rhif 1. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Mae 1 tîm gyda fi. I have 1 team. Roedd 1 ci gyda fi. I had 1 dog. Bydd 1 pwynt gyda fi. I will have 1 point. Team, ci, and point are masculine nouns. Ond cofiwch, 1 causes a treiglad meddal to feminine nouns. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Mae 1 bêl gyda ti. You have 1 ball. Roedd 1 gath gyda ti. You had 1 cat. Bydd 1 dasg gyda ti. You will have 1 task. Nesa, dewch i ni edrych ar y geiriau 2 a 2. 2 causes a treiglad meddal to masculine nouns. Ailadroddwch. Mae 2 dîm gyda fi. I have 2 teams. Roedd 2 gi gyda fi. I had 2 dogs. Bydd 2 bwynt gyda fi. I will have 2 points. And the feminine form, dwy, causes a treiglad meddal to feminine nouns. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Mae 2 bêl gyda ti. You have 2 balls. Roedd 2 gath gyda ti. You had 2 cats. Bydd 2 dasg gyda ti. You will have 2 tasks. Iawn. Beth am y geiriau 3 a tair? Dych chi'n cofio? The masculine number 3 causes a treiglad llais. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Mae 3 theme gyda fe. He has 3 teams. Roedd 3 chi gyda fe. He had 3 dogs. Bydd 3 phwynt gyda fe. He will have 3 points. However, the feminine number tair does not cause any mutation. Ailadroddwch. Mae tair pêl gyda hi. She has 3 balls. Roedd tair cath gyda hi. She had 3 cats. Bydd tair tasg gyda hi. She will have 3 tasks. Da iawn. Nawr, y rhifau 4 a 5. Does dim treiglad ar ôl 4 neu 5. There is no mutation after 4 or the feminine form 5. Felly unwaith eto, dywedwch ar fy ôl i. Mae 4 tîm gyda ni. We have 4 teams. Roedd 4 ci gyda ni. We had 4 dogs. Bydd 4 pwynt gyda ni. We will have 4 points. Ac yn olaf, 5. Mae 5 pêl gyda nhw. They have 4 balls. Roedd 4 cath gyda nhw. They had 4 cats. Bydd 4 tasg gyda nhw. They will have 4 tasks. A dyna ni. Felly, in summary, 3 numbers have feminine forms. 2, tair, 5. 1 causes a treiglad meddal to feminine nouns. 2 and 2 both cause a treiglad meddal. 3 causes a treiglad llais. Arbennig wir. Nawr, cwblhewch y gweithgareddau yn yr uned. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Now, complete the activities in the unit. Remember, you can watch this video again if you wish to revise. Pob lwc!